Hello, my name is Anthony Cortez, and I am a Senior Client Analyst Tech for the Grad campuses of Pepperdine University. Welcome to this overview on Skype from Pepperdine University. This lesson is intended to give you a better insight on how to use Skype. We are going to start by opening up a web browser. Currently, I am using Firefox, and navigate to www.skype.com. Next, you want to click on Download Skype. Click on Get Skype for Mac. It will say Get Skype for Windows if you're on a Windows machine. Next, it will prompt you to download the installation file. I've already downloaded the installation file, so once downloaded, navigate to your downloads and open up that installation file. On an Apple computer, you'll be prompted to drag and drop the Skype icon to your Applications folder. On a Windows computer, you will go through the usual installation process of pressing Next a couple of times, but make sure to select the options that you would like. Once Skype is downloaded and installed, navigate to your Applications folder, find Skype, double-click, and open it. Note that you can sign in with your Microsoft account, your Outlook account, your Skype account, or your Facebook account. In this process, we're going to go ahead and go through the account creation process. Setting up an account. With Skype open and at the login screen, click on Create an Account. Next, you'll be taken online to create your account for Skype. Fill in the necessary information, which will include your name, your email address, and your profile information. At this point, I want to make a note that you do not have to type in your birthday or your mobile phone number, as this may be sensitive information. Scroll down, and when it asks you how do you intend to use Skype, select Mostly Personal Conversations. I have already registered this Skype name, but if it is already taken, Skype will give you suggestions on other usernames to use. Next, type in your password that you will use for your login. Scroll down and deselect by email so that you don't receive any spam. And then type in the security picture noted above. After, click Continue. You have now created an account and will be sent to your profile account page. You will use a Skype username and password that you have created to sign into Skype. Adding contacts. Adding contacts is the first step towards actually using Skype to call, chat, and video conference with other people. Once you have signed into Skype, go ahead and look on the left-hand side and click on Contacts. Once in the Contacts window, look on the upper right-hand corner and select Add Contact. Type in the Skype username you would like to add to your contacts and press Enter. Other users with similar usernames may show up, so make sure you add the correct user from the correct region. Look on the right-hand side and hit the green button or the plus sign to add the contact. You can type in a personalized message and then click Send. A request will be sent, and once accepted, they will show up in your contacts list. Using the instant messenger and making calls and video calls. Using the instant message service is very easy. Simply find the person you want to chat with in your contact list by going to Contacts on the left-hand side. Hover over the profile picture. Click on the down arrow and select Instant Message. You will then be switched over to a window where you can chat in real time with that contact. Making calls and video calls are made exactly the same way. Simply go to your contacts page on the left-hand side, clicking on the down arrow over the profile picture of the contact you want to call, and select Video Call or Call if you just want to chat online. If they do not answer, then you can always leave a text message and they will see it when they next sign in. Sending a photo or file. You can also send files over the internet via Skype. When in a call, simply go to the left-hand side and click on Contacts. Select the contact that you want to send a file or photo to. Go up to the top and click on Conversations in the title bar. Select Send Photos and Files. Simply browse to the file that you want to send and click Send. That file or photo will then be sent to that contact. Setting your status. If you have Skype open and are either busy, on a call, or away from your computer, you can set your status so that others can see that you are away or do not want to be disturbed. Go on the left-hand side and click on File. Select Change Status and select the status you would like for others to see. In Windows, you will see a Skype button on the top left to be able to change your status. In the File menu here, you can also edit your profile, change your password, or sign out of Skype completely. Adding credits. Everything I have explained up to this point you can use free of charge, but there is a monetary fee when using Skype as a phone. You can add credits if you want to use Skype as a phone to call other phone numbers. Under your profile name on the top left-hand corner of your home screen, you will see a button called Add Credit. Go ahead and click on Add Credit. It will take you to your profile page where under Manage Account, you can decide to either buy Skype credits or buy a Skype subscription. Note that this is not necessary if you are simply going to contact other Skype users via the internet for instant message, call, or video services. That portion of Skype is free of charge. Troubleshooting. If you are having trouble seeing or hearing others, or vice versa, people are having issues seeing or hearing you, then you can always check your settings to see that they are set correctly. On a Mac, click on Skype on the very left-hand corner and select Preferences. Navigate to Audio and Video and make sure that your mic settings, speaker settings, and camera settings are all set correctly. On a Windows machine, you'll want to select Tools, then Options, and then finally Audio settings if you're having issues with your mic or speakers. If you're having issues with your webcam, then navigate to Tools, Options, and then Video settings to make sure they are set correctly. To check these settings, Skype allows you to make test calls to check them. Click on Contacts on the left-hand side of your Skype window, and in your Contacts window, you should see a contact name named Skype Test Call. In Windows, click on Echo/Sound Test. Simply hover over the contact, right-click, or select Call. A call will be placed where you will record a message and it will be played back to you to confirm that your mic and speaker settings are set correctly.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Hello, my name is Anthony Cortez, and I just want to make sure that my mic and speaker settings are set correctly. Hello, my name is Anthony Cortez, and I just want to make sure that my mic and speaker settings are set correctly.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings. Please check your microphone and microphone settings or visit skype.com for more help. Thank you for using the Skype call testing service. Goodbye.
If you are not able to hear your voice, then you will need to use the steps above to check your audio and video settings under Preferences or under Tools and Options in a Windows machines to correct your settings. This contact is automatically added to your contact list when you first sign in. This has been a tutorial on Skype and its services. If you have any questions regarding the use of Skype, then you can contact the help desk at toll-free 866-767-8623. That is all for now. Take care and have a great time using Skype.